A Redmi X10 unboxing and overview. It's Honor X10 killer? First I'm open the box inside one more mini box here. Mini box inside SIM ejector, and some paperwork's last free case, more box front side mobile phone. See guys, phone color gold, more Type-C cable and 33 watts power adapter. Let's overview phones side by side. First remove plastic cover. See guys, phone color once again, it's looking nice gold color. Phone back 3D curved edges, matte finish back handling feeling nice. First look phone display. Phone display come with 6.67 inches Full HD plus AMOLED display. With HDR10 plus panel, it's AMOLED display so always on screen mode support the phone. Lot of gift files here. Which one you like? Put the always on screen wallpaper, 800 nits brightness display. Next main highlight this phone display AMOLED so support under display fingerprint. How it work? It's faster or slow? Let's watch now guys. Next this Redmi smartphone portfolio run on MediaTek Dimensity 820 SoC A, so benchmarks score high or low. What about you think guys? I don't know, so let's watch. Yeah, see guys, mid-range phone benchmark score 4,10,000. It's not bad. I like MediaTek Dimensity 820. How is run games? You have any idea guys? I'm play some different games. It's also support all games max settings. Now the day mid-range 5G phones not support max game settings, also PUBG not support HDR and Ultra, but MediaTek Dimensity 820 support PUBG HDR and Ultra, so cool. I love MediaTek Dimensity 820. No heatuses now we got. Let's look phone camera. Phone backside quad camera setup here. Main camera 48MP with 30x digital zoom, 8MP wide and 8MP telephoto, and last 5MP macro. How it camera work? Let's watch and look camera samples.